Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technologies and Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a pickleball scoreboard. Where you can see now the number 2 versus 7. Let's say the 2 is team A and the 7 is team B. So now it's 2, 7, 1, the scoreboard. So let's say the team A keep on scoring. So now it's 3, 7 and 1. So score again 4, 7 and 1. Let's say the opponent B team win a point. So now it's 4, 7 and 2. So let's say the B team win again. So we'll go to 7, 4, 1. So you can go to the select. So now will be 7, 4, 1. Let's say now the A team continue scoring. So again, score again. So let's say now they lose again. So we will increase another point. So for example, now the B team win again. So we will go to score. That means that now the serving point will be at this team. So let's say I need to switch over. So now it's 4, 8, 1. So for example, now the team score 6, 7, then this team win again. So now win again. So now is 9, 7, 1. So need to switch over. So now it can win 10, 7 and 1. So let's say 11, 7, 1. So it's considered this team win the game. So to reset, press and hold the button, become 0, 0. So 0, 0, the first team score will be start from point 2. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.